This is the fan that he was talking about that he found in the garage that he wanted to take a video and show y'all. So tell him about it, Nathan.
This is a vintage fan. It is about 36 inches.
And what are those patterns on the front of the blades? Turn it around.
Stincel. That's stincel. As you can see, this fan.
Stencil grain?
Yes, stencil green. It says low ceiling. And
yeah,
this is definitely a vintage fan.
We had it at the beach house, so
It's
Grammy put
old.
low ceiling on there so nobody would bump their heads.
People bumped their heads on it before. This fan is from...
It was in the kitchen.
This fan's from the 70s, maybe early 80s, because it's really thick metal.
Alright, and show them how it spins. You might want to turn around the other way. Yeah, it's got wires in the back, see y'all. Turn it around the other way and just hold it.
There's the front of it.
Just hold it from the front and spin it. Okay, there we go.
That's how it works.
Get the wires out of the way. One more time.
More spin?
One more spin. And we're going to say goodnight. Yeah. You can slow it down too with your hand.
It's actually cooling me off.
And when you turn it off, you want to slow it down like with your hand. Show them. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Say goodnight. We'll see y'all tomorrow.
Yeah.
We're going to take videos at the pool tomorrow.
Heavy fan?
It's about 15 pounds,
Yeah.
something like that.
15 pounds, not 50 pounds.
All right. Say goodbye. Bye, y'all.
Bye, guys.
The kitty says goodnight too. Meow.
Very old.
Meow. Bye.
The blades are really damaged. The blades are really damaged. Like,